The Skytech King 95 gaming PC desktop is a powerful machine designed for gamers and creators who demand top-tier performance and reliability. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this gaming PC in the description below at the latest price. At its core, the King 95 features an AMD Ryzen 7 9700X processor that runs at a base speed of 3.8 GHz and boosts up to an impressive 5.5 GHz, ensuring fast and efficient processing for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. Complementing this is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card with 12 GB of GDDR5 memory, which delivers stunning visuals and smooth gameplay at high resolutions such as 1440p Quad HD. This system includes a massive 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6000 MHz with RGB lighting, offering ample memory bandwidth for intense gaming sessions or demanding creative work. Storage is handled by a blazing fast 1TB Gen4 NVMe 2 SSD, providing quick boot times and rapid load speeds that drastically reduce wait times compared to traditional hard drives. The King 95 is cooled by a sophisticated 360mm ARGB all-in-one liquid CPU cooler, which keeps temperatures low and maintains peak performance without thermal throttling, even during long gaming marathons or heavy workloads. Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed, providing a modern and secure operating system with full support for the latest gaming features and applications. Connectivity is robust, featuring 802.11 AC Wi-Fi for reliable wireless internet, multiple USB ports including USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1, as well as HDMI and DisplayPort outputs to easily connect your preferred monitors. The package also includes a free gaming keyboard and mouse, allowing users to jump straight into gameplay without additional purchases. The design of the King 95 is both functional and visually appealing, housed in a sleek black tower case with customizable RGB lighting that enhances any gaming setup. This PC is assembled in the USA and backed by a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, along with free technical support, ensuring peace of mind with every purchase. Whether you are into fast-paced shooters, open-world adventures, or creative content production, the Skytech King 95 delivers exceptional performance with reliability and style. Ask ChatGPT.